Hey, what's up guys, what's going on? This is Raj Studio. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually add a feature on your website to have a dark mode and then a light mode. This is the feature I'm going to show you, and how to get this dynamic effect on your website that can keep your user engaged. So this I think this is a glass morphic feature. So we're going to be adding this to our website, and let's see how this works. And we're doing this with WordPress, right? So let's get into it. So quickly we'll go to our plugin section, go to your plugin section, and then what we're going to do is to add a new plugin. Click on add new plugin. So we're going to add a new plugin, and the name of the plugin we are going to use is WP dark mode, right? So wait for it. Let's set. Sorry, I didn't get the correct spelling of mode. So WP dark mode. So here is the plugin we're going to use for this. So it's already installed on my own WP, so that's why you see activate. So yours will show install. All you have to do is just to click install and then activate, right? So after you've done with that, go back to your dashboard. I think the dashboard will appear on the left hand side. So go back to your settings, the WP dark mode settings. Let's make some changes there. So you have to explore the dashboard. This is the front end control. You can control whatever you want the admin panel, but for now we'll just leave it here. So if you want, how do you want the dark mode to be used? You must just leave it like this, right? Just leave it this way. Use system settings. Some people's on their phone, they will choose dark mode or light mode. So whatever settings of any devices is, it will just adapt to it. So just leave it here like this. Okay, so let's just go back to the customization setting. Let's go to switch settings. So you can change the layout. What we have here is what we have here, and see what we have now. You can change to this, you can change to this, whichever one is cool for you. For me, I love this one here, right? So once you've done with that, if you scroll down, how do you want it to be? Do you want it to be large? Just set in your distance. Normally I prefer you leave it at the left hand side, right? Here, just leave it at the left hand side. So the switch animation, you can choose wobble or vibrate. See how it looks. See, okay, whichever one. Once you are done, make sure you click on save. So let's go to color settings. So I think just leave it at the automatic color, unless you want to just make a color to that or change some colors, but just leave it at the automatic color and everything is cool. So after you have done, just make your changes and then you are good to go. So now this is the website and it's very okay. So switch to light mode and switch to dark mode. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to be notified whenever we release future videos on this channel. So leave a like and then let me know your thoughts concerning this video in the comment section, right? Goodbye.